There are more than 500 million firearms held by civilians in the United States. That's about half of the worldwide total of civilian-held firearms. There are 1.5 firearms for every American, including both adults and children. There are nearly 65,000 gun stores in the U.S. That's more than McDonald's restaurants and Starbucks coffee shops combined. In comparison, Mexico has only one gun store located on a secure military base. There are about 40,000 firearm-related deaths in the U.S. each year, including suicides, homicides, and accidents, such as the toll of easy access to firearms.